What's up guys, welcome to Island Gentry. You may or may not have noticed, I haven't really done a video in a few months now. I've actually been busy studying for some insurance exams, which are beneficial for my full-time job. So I'd like to apologize for the absence, but today I'm back with a new video. I'm giving you guys a full unboxing and first impressions review of a pair of Bordeaux Captoe boots that I got from Beckett Simonon. I've actually done a video in the past featuring Beckett Simonon where I covered 4 ways that you can wear the Oxford dress shoes. So if you missed that, I'll have that linked up here for you. Okay, maybe you've never even heard of Beckett Simonon. Basically, they are a made-to-order shoe company. So you go on their website, beckettsimonon.com, and they list all of their shoes that they make once you order them. So essentially, they don't have to stock any inventory, no inventory costs, so that makes it cheaper for you and me. Now, normally it takes about 6 to 8 weeks, depending on where you live, once you place your order to get your shoes. But if you're not a person that is really anxious to get a new pair of shoes, it might be worth the wait. All right, here we go. Got the outside of the box. On the outside, you'll see the label, which gives you the details of your shoes. And then let's go ahead and open up the box. See, on the inside of the top, you have another label that has more details of your boots. And now, as you open up the box, you're greeted with a nice little leaflet here which thanks you for your purchase and then gives you some details about how your shoes were made and a little bit about the company and how to care for your shoes. You also get a pretty cool discount for your next order. And then they threw in an extra pair of wax laces. Never have too many laces for your boots. And a nice touch here is the comfort sole pads. Definitely something I'll be using for long treks with these boots. Oh yeah, added comfort. Let's get into the boots. Each one has its own silk protective case. Very nice, keeps the boot nice and clean. Wow, you can see right away that rich color, that nice Bordeaux wine color. Really stands out. Fresh, clean looking. The protective case does a nice job, you know, protecting the shoe during shipment too. And the inside of the protective case there, you've got a nice soft cotton. Go ahead and open up the second boot here. And again, the first thing that really pops out is that color. Just clean. That rich color. So when you hold them in the hands for the first time, they feel sturdy. They feel pretty durable. They're actually, when I wore them for the first time, they're quite stiff, which is a sign that the leather is very sturdy, but it's gonna take a little bit of time to break in. They also smell very nice. These ones are made from, I believe, Argentinian calfskin leather. These guys do a Blake stitch on the sole, which is a very watertight stitch which will hold up for a very long time. On the heel, you've got solid wood, rubber to prevent you from slipping. With the leather sole, you're gonna have to make sure that you break these in because it is known to be a bit slippery until the bottom starts to break in. The laces, these are wax laces. These look pretty durable from what I can see. The lace clips on the side here are solid brass, so these feel pretty sturdy. They feel like they're gonna last a while. If you take a close look at the stitching here, very nice work. Seems waterproof as well, so we'll see how that holds up over time. You want to take a look at the inside. Nice, beautiful, light tan leather. So my first impressions on comfort, like I said, they are a bit stiff, but I expect that with leather boots. but you put those nice sole pads in there, that makes a world of a difference. Just wear your boots over time and they will loosen up. In terms of style, I love all of Beckett Simonon stuff, so I'm kind of biased, but you can see the style on these boots. Very clean, polished, but also have that rugged look to them. This is something that you can wear with, at work with a pair of chinos or, a pair of dress slacks. You can also wear it with a pair of jeans. You can dress it down. This boot is just very versatile in my opinion when it comes to style. First impressions on quality. Everything here looks extremely high quality, especially the leather. This stuff is really soft. The laces do seem a bit thin. They are wax laces, they're dress laces, so I get that, but let's see how they hold up over time. The soles, they seem very high quality. It's done a very nice job on that. All right guys, that's the unboxing and my first impressions of the Beckett Simonon Bordeaux Captoe boots. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried Beckett Simonon. And if you have, what are your thoughts? What kind of shoes do you have from them? Love to hear from you. I promise you it won't be as long before I do another video. I've already got some lined up that I'm working on, so stay tuned. Until next time, take care of yourselves and your boots.